Hi! If you follow us for some time now, you know we are big fans of steel Gmade Korea rims. We drive on SR02 and SR03 for years, and they are definitely worth mentioning. That's why, for our new project, we've decided to use wheels from this producer. The difference is that they are part of AR series and are made of aluminium. They also have different construction than SR ones. As usual, Gmade made the front part of the rim very well, and it looks great. Some people say their plastic rims don't work too well. We didn't have much trouble with ones we got with Komodo, but when you compare them with steel ones, they are a bit worse. As you will see in this video, putting together AR08 is very easy. We start with screwing hub into the front part of the rim. To make it easier for us, there is a socket wrench in the package. We had a little problem with that, as in the instruction it should work with 2.5mm hex, but instead it fit 3/32 inch. To show you how it works, we used old socket wrench that we had at home. While mounting tire on the rim, you should remember to make its edge fit perfectly. There is no such thing as too much corrections. And remember, don't screw all the screws at once. First 2, or better 4, on the opposite sides, and screw only few turns at a time, placing the tire in its place. This way, wheels won't deform and will work best. You may be shocked we used tires from different company than Pitbull tires. Unfortunately, PBXRC doesn't have such small 1.9 tires, and that makes us really sad. How do you like these wheels? Did you ever use rims from Gmade? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Till the next time. Bye bye!